Make a great choice today with the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, lane departure warning, tow hitch, power liftgate, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.